Welcome back to our YouTube channel, which is Genvesta Meditech. Hope you remember last time we discussed about love for white, and today we come up with something very different. As you can see, that is amber color bottle. Along with that, we are going to discuss about golden bottle, also golden color bottle. As I have told you so many times earlier also, these cosmetics container are of premium packaging. The packaging is so good, they are airtight, their cap is airtight, and you can see it is in 200 ml, and see the cap is also so sturdy, and see the finishing of the bottle. This is 200 ml amber color bottle with glass finish. You can see the finishing of the bottle. This is the in 200 ml. Then next, if we talk about the smallest one, so it is in 15 ml. The bottle is with white color cap. You can see these kind of bottles you can use in your daily life for storing your cosmetics, for storing your medicines, everything. Then if we talk about next, so this is amber color bottle with golden cap, and the quantity is it is of 30 ml. And next we have the dropper bottle, again in 30 ml with golden plating cap. See, and the dropper is also of glass. They are very sturdy for storing your serums and for your eye cream. See the packaging and see the beautiful color. It looks very cute. And if you are not happy with the cap, like you don't want the dropper with this cap, so we have the option that you can change the cap according to your wish. Like if you want this cap, the simple cap without dropper, this golden color cap, so we can change the cap also. We can change the cap according to your requirement. Like I have changed the cap from that bottle to this one, and you can use this cap in this bottle also. And next, if we talk about the next variation we have, that is the flip desk cap. It is in 100 ml with this golden finishing cap. It is flip top, and it is very useful for your sanitizer also. Nowadays, wherever we go, we carry our sanitizers, and for sanitizer we prefer these types of caps. And this is also very sturdy, very easy to use, and the most important thing is they are in small size, so that they can come into your small pouches, or you are carrying that daily if you are going to the workplace. So these bottles are very best for carrying your sanitizer, even for your hand cream also. And if you talk about now this bottle, this we say applicator. Might you have seen somewhere along with the oils also, and this is in 100 ml. It is totally black in color. This we say applicator. You can see the applicator. It is very sturdy, and the finishing is, you can see the finishing of the bottle is black. It is totally black. And if you want this black color bottle with different caps, so we provide this facilities also. We can provide this black bottle with some other cap, like this one. This is the spray pump. This along with the spray pump, and you can use this cap with this bottle. See how beautiful it is looking. If you are going to use this spray, like you are having your DIY hairspray, so it is looking very beautiful. See, and it is the convenient way to use it. Spray easy to press. You can see it. It is very easy to press, and along with that we have a cap for your spray also to protect your material. See, as I have told you, you can interchange the cap with different bottle. It is looking very beautiful, as you people can see how beautiful it is looking. Then if we come to the golden family, see, it is very 100 ml bottle with this cap, golden cap. See the finishing of the bottle and see the beautiful cap. As you can see, it is small in size, very cute, and it is also airtight cap. Means your cosmetics will be like, they will be air free. No, they will not catch any air, which we want. Like we, the person who are going to the office, who are traveling, they prefer airtight caps bottle. See, you can see, you can have a look of this golden color bottle. It is very beautiful. This is of 100 ml. Then these two bottles, this one and this one is with this black spray and one is with lotion. Sorry, they both are in lotion pump. One is in black color, one is in white color, and the difference is one, the spray cap is this transparent along with silver lining, and the other one is with golden plating. See, and as I've told you, this is easy to press. Like if you are carrying your daily moisturizer or your hand cream, and if you are facing the problem that we face so many times, this pump doesn't work properly, but when we talk about Genvesta cosmetics container, so this problem you won't be able to face. Their finishing is very good, and you can see the finishing in the cap also, golden color finishing. And if you are wondering that you want another color cap, so we do have option for other color also, like black and golden, silver. We do have a look of this bottle. See, very beautiful 100 ml bottle. Then if we come on the Amber family, see, this is 30 ml bottle with this golden cap. I think I have shown you this one, but have a look from inside also and from back also. Have a look of cap. Now these all bottles are, and one more thing, this one dropper one is there, amber color bottle with black dropper, and the dropper is of glass. Very sturdy to use. You can use this bottle for your serums, for your eye cream also, for your hair serum also. See the quality of the bottle and the quality of the dropper, and the finishing is also, I have told you so many times, the finishing is very sturdy. See, have a look of this bottle. Now let us come to the next point, that they, as I have told you, different quantities, different caps, different colors. We have so many varieties, like the quantity is carry from 15 ml to the 500 ml, and the Genvesta Meditech company is Uttarakhand based company, and you need not, our stock is always available. You didn't need to wait for your product for so long. We dispatch your product as we receive the payment. Then if we talk about these all luxurious bottles, so they all are from Genvesta brand. As I have told you, you can see, you can have a look of these all beautiful bottles. And Genvesta Meditech is all about luxurious packaging, which keep your cosmetic making, your soap making very safe. And if you want to buy these bottles, so you can contact us directly to the number mentioned below, and you can purchase them from our website, that is also mentioned below. You can have a look there. We are having much more variety in bottles, in cosmetics container, like in cap also, in sprays also, in lotion pump also. For cosmetics container we are having a vast variety. So hope you like this video, and please, for further references, you can visit our website mentioned below, or you can directly contact on us on our number that is mentioned below.